this is the plain part here. I already went into double stitch it because I'm going to be drawing it to be a gathered form, so I double stitched it at both sides. I repeated the same thing at the other side also. You could see this other side I already drew it to be a gathered. So at this point I turned the lace area to the front, so don't get confused. So the area where I marked 17 inches, I'm going to be drawing my gathers to be at that point. So also what I'm saying is that the gathered area, that's this plain area, the length is going to be 17 inches so that it can correlate, it can relate with the lace area. After adjusting, yes, it was finally what's up to. Like I said, I repeated the same process. So this is it. You could see this is the drawstring. We're going to incorporate this as the skirt. So finally, this is one part of our drawstring. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply place it, and then I'm just going to sew it in a straight line. I start sewing it. This is what it was looking like. I used my machine to run a straight line at it, and I stopped at the desired length, which was 17 inches. So we've really done that side. What to do is at this point, remember I said that at this point we've not done anything at this point, so we're just going to go ahead to join it also. So we're going to go ahead to join the second part of it together with the lace area. That's just what we're just going to do. And after doing it, this is what it was looking like, guys.